you get wet?
A little bit. Yeah, a little bit.
School directors, superintendent of schools, Mr. Wilson, faculty, friends, parents, grandparents, and relatives, and members of the Neshaminy High School's class of 2006, good evening and welcome to Neshaminy High School's 111th commencement.
Enjoy the rain.
I recently had an epiphany in which I made this discovery about jobs, cars, money, status, successes, and failures will fade away. The marks we leave behind are the way we touch each other's lives. The way to make a difference in this world is not through grandiose schemes and sweeping changes. The biggest differences come from the smallest actions. Before I close, I would like to ask all of you for a favor. There is a way that we can make a small difference right here, right now. If every person in this audience makes a conscious decision to switch from using regular incandescent light bulbs to compact fluorescent light bulbs, we can save a lot of energy every year. According to Energy Star, if every household in the U.S. replaced one light bulb with an Energy Star light bulb, it would prevent enough pollution to equal removing 1 million cars from the road.
What's the thing with the light bulb?
Fish? Oh, fish? She's like a yeah, and tree hugger.
2006, baby. Woo!
Alright, we had so much fun. I did beach volleyball.
I want all of you to have a good time tonight.
Good superintendent.
Superintendent of schools, Mr. Wilson, will have a few brief words for us.
The whole left side got to do it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, hereby decree that the students of the Neshaminy High School class of 2006 together here this evening are entitled to the official confirmation of their diplomas. As a symbol of this confirmation of diplomas, I now ask the students to move their passes from the right to the left of their pass.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we can all see, the weather is no longer cooperating with us this evening. And to ensure the safety of everyone this evening, we will now conclude our ceremony. Class of 2006, you are now graduates of the Neshaminy High School. Thank you all, and please ride safely on your ride home this evening.
With every person that we meet, challenge we overcome, and thing we learn, the world seems smaller and more manageable. That is what high school has been about, preparing us to manage our world better. But our evolution as individuals is far from complete. In fact, it will continue now at a rate greater than it ever has before. And so, I challenge you. Do not be satisfied with what you have accomplished thus far. Do not be satisfied with only knowing Bucks County or your class of 800 people. Not that anyone actually does. The world is your oyster. Do with it what you may, but make sure to survey it. Never forget to keep your roots in sight though, because it is the people around you who have defined who you are. Class of 2006, you are more than I could have ever asked for. Make some great stories. I look forward to hearing them.
I'm done. I'm done. I did nothing this whole year and I'm done.